We'll guide you through how to fix the ChatGPT conversation not found issue. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website using your desktop browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. This problem often happens when there's a session timeout or a temporary glitch in the server. To start troubleshooting, you need to refresh the page by clicking the refresh button on your browser or pressing F5 on your keyboard. If refreshing doesn't work, go ahead and clear your browser cache. You can do this by going to your browser settings, finding the privacy and security section, and selecting the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to choose cached images and files, then click clear data. After that, restart your browser and try accessing the conversation again. If you're still having issues, check if your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection might cause this error. Also try disabling any browser extensions that could interfere with the ChatGPT website, especially ad blockers or privacy extensions. You can do this by going to your browser's extensions or add-on section and turning them off one by one. If none of these steps work, it's possible that the issue is on ChatGPT's end. In this case, you can check their status page or social media channels for any announcements about server issues or maintenance. Remember, this is a common issue and usually gets resolved quickly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.